Marcus, did you just go into the kitchen for a snack?
No, I've been in the garage fixing the bike for an hour. Why?
I just got a notification from the smart fridge. It took a photo because it thinks the milk is low.
Well, is it? I just bought a gallon yesterday.
That's the thing. In the photo, the milk carton is tipped over, and there's a hand in the shot.
Probably just a glitch or reflection on the glass, babe.
It's not a reflection. It's a gray, long-fingered hand reaching out from behind the juice. Marcus, the skin looks like it's rotting. It's gripping the shelf.
Okay, stay in the bedroom. I'm coming in through the kitchen door right now with a wrench.
Wait, I just got another notification. The fridge door is being held open.
I'm in the kitchen now. Riley, the fridge is closed. Everything looks normal.
Refresh the app. Look at the live feed.
I'm looking at it on my phone. Wait, the camera is showing the inside of the fridge, but it's not looking at the food.
What is it looking at?
It's looking through the front glass. It's showing ME standing in the kitchen, and the hand is coming out of the bed right above my head.